Hi there, second Sudoku in this additional a two-star Sudoku. So we will continue. And today's newspaper is Tuesday, May the 26th. So let's get started with this Sudoku. All right. Yeah. We have a 6 in the third row, a 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 6 would be here or there, but I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there, but I see here 5. No 5 there, 5 should be here. We have the first row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1, no 1 there. Here also 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. The 2, no, we have a 2 here. The 8 and the 4 are missing. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. Oh, no, I cannot fill this yet. So I need to wait. How about the 6 in this row, a 6 in the row below? So in the last row, the only two places for the 6 will be here or there, but I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And then 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the middle column, the only two places for the 7 here or there, but I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And then 8, 8 and the 4, yes, in this big square. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those numbers, missing numbers, are the 4 and the 8. We see here an 8 and a 4, so no 4 and 8 in these 3 boxes, so that 4 and 8 should be here and there. I marked them. It's easier to work with. So the other 3 numbers are the 1, the 5, and the 8. No, the 6. I see here the 1 and the 5. So this should be the 6. The 1 and the 5 goes there. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 3 and 9. How about the 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 1 should be here. These 3 numbers are the numbers 3, 2. The 2 we have here, no 2 there. Here also 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be here. The 3 and the 4 are missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. This should be also 3 and a 4. Those 2 numbers, 3 and a 9. 3 and a 9. We have a 1, 1, 7, 7, 7, 7. How about 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 4, 4. 1, 2, 5, We have a 5 here, 5 there, so these two should be a 5. We have a 2 here, 2 there, so in the middle row, these two should be a 2. We have a 1 there, 1 above, so in these two should be a 1. 6, 5, 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so in the last row, the only two places for the 5 here or there, but I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, 5 here, 5 there, so in the column next, the only two places for the 5 here or there, same with the 1 here, 1 there, so these two should be a 1, 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so these two should be a 4, 8 there, 8 here, so the third column, these two 8, then 6, the 1, the 5, the 2, the 6, yeah, we have a pair, 6, this column, 6 in that column. Column next, the only two places for the 6 should be here and there, a pair. That means those three numbers are the numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. We have an 8 and a 9 here, so this should be a 3. 8, 9, and a 3. These two, 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 4. This should be a 3. 3, 3, 3, 4, 4. That means those two boxes are reserved for the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here. One box left in this row for the number 7. These two should be 8 and a 9. 4, 4, 4, yes. 8, 9. How about 4, 4, 4, 4? 4, 4, 4. These two should be a 4. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. 8 and a 4. 4, 4. That means one box left. This should be a 4. 4, 4. These two should be a 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, 4. So the third column, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4, 4, 4. One box left for the 5, 5, 5. So in the third column, the 5. 6 and a 5 we have in this column. Now we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6, 6. That means those two boxes should be a 6. We have a 6 there, so this cannot be a 6. This should be the 6. Two numbers left. The 8 and the 1 are left. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1. This should be the 8. 8, 8. That means these two numbers should be an 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8, 8. That means those two numbers should be an 8. This cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be a 9. This should be an 8, and this should be a 9. 9, 9. That means these three boxes should be a 9. We have a 9 there, so these two could be the 9. 8, 8. All right. 2, 2, 2, 2. How about these three numbers? 2, the 7, and the 3. 2 we have. No, 7 we have. 7 should be here. These two numbers. Okay. 1, 1. That means one place left for the 1 should be here. 1, 1. That means this one. I can place the 1. We have a 1 there. 2 numbers left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and an 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 7 goes there. We have two 8s here. Now we have an 8 there, so the 8 should be here. 2 numbers left, 3 and a 9. 3, 9. 7, 7. That means these two should be also a 7. Two numbers left, the 3 and the 3 and a 9. 3 and a 9, we have a 9 there. So here cannot be a 9. This should be the 9. This should be the 3. One number left in this big square, the number 2. Two numbers left, 7 and a 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. We have a 7, 7. This should be the 7. This should be a 3. We have a 3 here, so these two cannot be a 3. This should be the 3. 3, 9. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. One number left. This should be a 2, and this should be a 9. This should be a 3. No, 3. We have a 2. And the final two numbers of this big square, the 3 and the 3 and the 9. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finished in 11 minutes. Alright. Thank you for watching again, and if you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. I think I solved this too quick for you Sudoku friends. Maybe I need to be slowly so you can follow it. Yeah, I will do that with the next Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye.